मैं मुखरमजरी तो इंग्रिप से इम्पैक्ट न्यूज़ ने राजरंग थंगबम मनुहुना हरिबा 360 degree analysis of news and events ता मैं अम्बु तराम नोकचरी लालिबा मार्च की तांग मरी अमदनी पांदा पांथोकदरिबा मणिपुर लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली की मेखल की दमकता भारतीय जनता पार्टी बीजेपी मणिपुर की दमकता वोट खोंबा लाखिबा लेबासी की प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी की ngasi की लांजिंग असोबता पांथोकिबा रैली की वारोल है बतारे स्पीच असिगी मतंग द खनने नुगी दमकता ngasi की थोरम सिसिंजा बनी दुगा हारिबा topic asida khana ne nugdang ta impact news ki studio dang sin relay basi joining us tonight on manung hutna Center for Study of Social Systems JNU New Delhi ki associate professor obiriba oja Dr. Bimol akoi jamni oja Bimol butram okcheri welcome to the show, appreciate your joining. Also joining us कांग्रेस की एमएलए ओबिरीबा नावरिया पाखलकपा असेंबली कॉन्स्टिट्यूट के बतारे ओजा आर के अननी ओजा आनंद बुसुतराम नोकचरी वेलकम टू द शो, अप्रिशिएट योर जॉइनिंग. ऑल्सो जॉइनिंग अस बीजेपी मणिपुर प्रदेश के स्पोक्स पर्सन ओबिरीबा ओजा सीएच बिजोनी ओजा बिजय बुसुतराम नोकचरी वेलकम टू द शो, अप्रिशिएट योर जॉइनिंग टू. ऑल्सो जॉइनिंग अस सीपीआईएम के सेक्रेटरी मेंबर ओबिरीबा ओजा के शांतनी ओजा शांत बुसुतराम नोकचरी वेलकम टू द शो, अप्रिशिएट योर जॉइनिंग टू. अदो ngasi gi कोगी प्राइम मिनिस्टर की स्पीच ता मरुइना कोगी होजिक मणिपुर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट पाइबिरिबा कोगी कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट दा कोगी मरुइना चार्ज से मयाम तोरमे मयाम सिगी मनुंग दखरा लखो चबदा चही 15 सिदा कांग्रेस ना पारक मतम ता मणिपुर दा तौदबा थबक मयाम सी बीजेपी ना कोगी गवर्नमेंट पारक बतारगदी 15 मंथ्स की मनुंग दा एश्योरेंस पिरा मनी 15 मंथ्स की मनुंग थात्रा मंगाई मनुंग दा मसी थबक तोंथोप ngangani haiba ama aduga चही 15 सिदा कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट तोरलिबा करप्शन मयाम सी सोइदना एक्सपोज तगुनी हानादी सेंटर दोसो कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट लेरमी अदुबो हौजिकती मोदी गवर्नमेंट लेरमनीना नोबडी विल बी स्पेयर्ड हैबगी वफम सुम थंबिरमी. एंड ऑल्सो कोगी एक कोर्ट से कोगी 2015 की अगस्त की तारीख हम द साइन तनो खिबा कोई एनएसएन आईएम का गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का साइन तनो खिबा फ्रेमवर्क एग्रीमेंट सिदसु मणिपुर की मतंग द केमता याउदे टेरिटोरियल इंटीग्रिटी की मतंग द डिसिप तगदब मियाम बुलाना पुगदब वफम अमता याउदे हैबगी वफम फुदुलमे एट द सेम टाइम 15 years ता 10% की गवर्नमेंट हैबगी वफम सु फोंदो पिरमे मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट से. एंड लास्ट बाय नो मीन्स द लिस्ट कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट अमदी यूएनसी अनि न पुलग इकोनॉमी ब्लॉकेज से चथबनी मसी लोशन के हैबदी नहान लोशन बे याबनी हैबगी चार्ज मैम तौबिरमी स्वाइसी द हाइरिब चार्ज मैम अममम लखो चरगा अहान ब चार्ज 15 years ता कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट तौदबम तौबंगम खिदो मैम से 15 months ता बीजेपी ना पांथोब ngangani हैबगी वाफम फोंदो पिरमी स्वाइसी दा कोई कांग्रेस की एमएलए मोइना कोई ओजा आर के न करी हैबिनिंग
इलेक्शन में यादा इलेक्शन campaign की tactics समोइना political leaders in khangde magi spokesperson ke la ga tawram da mayam tawung amni is just a normal practice ni. We know it pagi Modi government ek lak padagi 100 days time the CCG target tawni haramaga what they have done for Manipur. I don't know about other states. Manipur ki even jeri lambi se same na ngasi kem tawide. That's the first reaction that I would like to get. Aduna say trang Congress da dong myam sangsidi it's a gigantic step ni aduga khoigi hill valley gi divide ma batam lai na haram myam inequalities lai myam sangsi in terms of development, the infrastructure da connectivity da the infrastructures basics have the power sector da the myam the health ki administration ki myam sangsidi. It's a huge development that has taken place in the last 15 years. And we have also published, the described over, highlight over my program that explains, self-explanatory height. The documented over some 15 months time, I don't know it. We take it that way.
Okay.
Okay,
Panghai Highway, only having Matang says that BJP spokesperson, it was a Bijoida, Hijaning was a curry response opening.
Panghai Highway have the drama.
Panghai Highway have opens. 15 months the Karamna, Hari, but Tabak Mayam, Tabakon Topang, whether you have a question of the Dum lady to Panghai Hajamani have a weapon sit us 15 months the Sukaram translate over what they have is happy.
Yana Hamada, Panghai Hajan Banem, the High Hanjaning there. What on the Sri Modi elected Prime Minister, around respected Prime Minister, Ma BJP, Ubay Zobiho, but he's our Prime Minister. Elected member of Nangang with a Panghai Hajan Banaje, Sri Arkan, so elected member, Masi, Bibarka, what Prime number 1 day comes again. नेक्स्ट श्री गोविंदास कोंथौजम ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर का सी स्टूडियो से फमिनरगा कांग्रेस की अचीवमेंट की मतंग द खोया फजन डिस्कस तौरे अरे कांग्रेस की अचीवमेंट की लाइक तो 15 इयर्स की पुथरपदो याम साथी न पाई हाइदी 1 year द कंडेंस तव या पोटो अचीवमेंट ऑलमोस्ट लाइट्रे आई साइड की जीरो ने लो नियर जीरो द लाइट तब ने अखोना 15 months तव इराय रहने ngam याम साथी न डेवलपमेंट वर्क तो तरम्बो रगदी अखोना ताना ngam कायना हाइबसु याइबा but वैते की लोन दार इन नो पाबा इदो अदना याम लाइन 15 months तव पाइजे anything अखोना सिंसियरली 15 months तव द 15 years 20 years अदुदी छुंतौ तरम न अखोय मदो हेन गनि खले
ओके 15 years तक एमता तरम दबनीना बीजेपी ने यामना लाइन हाइरबा मयाम से तौबंग अमुने हमनी 15 months दा सो आइसिदा युजा शांतसु लाक्चे युजा पॉलिटिकल पार्टी अमोइना बीजेपी अमदी कांग्रेस अनिमकपु याहोंदबा पार्टी अमा पामे हाबगी वाफम सु खुगी सीपीआई एम दगिसु लेबिरिबनी मरमदना करी हाबिनगे सुम मखलगी स्टेटमेंट नद्रगा बीजेपी अमदी कांग्रेस ना हारि वाफम सिंगसिदा सीपीआई एम गी ओइबा वाकलोन करी हाबिनगे
कहीं लेबाक से अखोगी पुगनिंग पुब यादे मोदी की असेंब थबकी पुगनिंग जी सुम पुनी खन बनेबा पुगनिंग दी मेटेरियलाइज तब यादे इट विल टेक टाइम अदुगा से मोई मोदी जी ना अखोई एनडीए लुचिंग बीजेपी ना अहानबा बजेट पुथोकपा मतमदा 100 days दा कयांग वासखियबा 100 days जो अखोई येंगादा ए टू जेड तो लोई फेलर ngakतदनी मखोइन कई गुममदा तौबा ngमखिदेबा मणिपुर जी तौबा ngमदे मणिपुर जी ngasa sports university ama sani hai thawban da mu sani hai asom na mu sani hai aduga central university ma sa bai se aham da moi ware bam logo da ne ba parliament na pass over da ne ba central university adu ju khangde makoi modi ji puning da pangang na ngang ba aduga practical di oida ba that is my point
ओके पुनिंग द पोंग ngang ba thabak tadi onthok taba aduga practical oide have ne to manipur government na for the last 15 years story me am sidi kari having
थबक अमा तौबाइबसे अखोनी एंकान लास्ट 15 years दा आई ngसा हिबे ताई मई अमा मगी वा ngang मोदी ना हारिसी मई दे याम फरे कइनो हाउ लास्ट 6-7 1 years दा याम इंप्रूव तौरेबा अद मोदी दा ngसागी मंगोन दा हाइबा दा हाइतबनरा बीजेपी अखोगी लीडरशिप ना
ओके
मई फरे हाइदबा मई जे सुंभंग भंगदबा टीवी उरदी प्रजा मियाम जे रिवोल्ट तौरकनी खोलकन हाइबगी यामना खंगदन हाइरकुदो आइदी it was a wonderful speech
okay information
prepared by someone who does not know Manipur
okay BJP the prime minister the information piu the BJP Manipur pradesh tagi etang walhaubra male habi wafam ni maruina mai gi matang sida mai di Manipur da yamna loi phare
mamang hairam di ai ngasi ngasi ma hairkudu di ko I feel pity for them
okay utang choice dai oja bimol da su laksi oja karam hai yang bi ngasi gi 15 years ta Manipur government na tau da thau mayam lere हाइरिबा थबक मैम से मरु ओइबा की थबक मैम से 15 months तक करिगमा बीजेपी कम्स टू पा मधु पांगथोप ngमगुनी हाइबगी एश्योरेंस ने प्राइम मिनिस्टर पिरमिसि प्राइम मिनिस्टर अमना पीबा एश्योरेंस सी पांगाई हाइबदी हेक्ता ओइबदी यारो अदुम खरादी ngमनी हाइबतगी हारकपसु अरमबे कमाय यंबी ओजा ओजा बि मुदलाक चगे
पोची अनि थोंग यंबे को नरेंद्र मोदी होइसि ग्लोबली यंबदा कोगी स्ट्रांग मेन नाइना emergence of strong leadership की character की figure अमको Donald Trump तक की माउंट की European leader में हमसे democracy की churning अमदा strong leadership in the center ओइबा politics अमं emerge तो रोपा तो का he is given often as one of the examples the strong man की character से and मागी अदुगी image को लोइना ना हाइरक पगी port अमं सुवैन उगने globally अकोई मणिपुर तो करमाइने उरंगदी के खंगने को but अदुगी speech pattern जिटी strong man के character में आई तौगे है बथबक तौनी है बगी पोसे को अच्छी की मकोई नोई अमरोम द येंगा बुद्धि election के campaign लाख पनी मसाना दुम पालिब सरकार दुगी weakness न करी नो दु हेन emphasis पिरंग ngang पता बने दुगा alternative तौगे है ना पिरक पने दुना आई न उबददी is part political speech निको speech ओरगा सु मागी strong image Aduda base or something that I will deliver haibagi pone. How far he will be able to do it or not is a different matter. But magi character magi label use it Modi wave high geraina la iba political culture magi ithilama lagi sidadi Modi se sumo in ui was globally. Aduda yumpa morga ngang pawane naidi.
Okay. Okay, atu matang sidai oja arkin andong lakchan ngi se 15 years ki achievement me oja na chukara takpi khare larik su phong khare manipur government gi 15 years sita kare achievement lerge have matam sar health sector so jam takpi health sector da so ko sachar matam ta ko gi primary health center boiro na community health center boiro hari mayam se ling batar ga su condition yam patna leiba natragna hari ba center sing asita leiga ta staff sing leram da gumba matik chana leita gumba yana bang hanga ki कोई तवुगु मदु मसु मयाम थेंगना जै अदुगा खोगी लंबी थोंग हायर कनेक्टिविटी सो जानता फि कनेक्टिविटी से अयामना मणिपुर के चिंग मदि तंपा के मफम सिंगदा अयामना फत्रे हेज बतारे वजा अदुगा एट द सेम टाइम खोगी इशिंग गे हबतार इशिंग गे सो हंदकता इको हदि आफ्टर 15 इयर्स चांगना पालो मतुंग सिदा हंदकी मैनिफेस्टो दा बाय 2022 भावदा थांगनाबा इशिंग सि मणिपुर गे मफम खोदि मत पांगना मोहना गनि हबगी अको मैनिफेस्टो दा बगा यावसलक पसिन मत ताकपदि खोगी डेवलपमेंट के थपक सि इवाट वाला होरे हबसिगी ममी मदि जावना तारी करी हबनि
Development program it takes time. And our government has been very sincere and hype in terms of development. The governance should be based on development and high. That's a philosophy. Connectivity, all India everything is. We are not saying it. Akwai na point have not one. PMGSY Prime Minister special package program makada. Notice we are running the top and all India thirdly. Connectivity is being done, being improved in high tide. The health sector so simply a way the way the worker toner hand the gi health sector quite the mortality, child mortality rate, you just can't make up what do you call it, record say manipulate we have not here. They are being examined by expert team. Then the state has been awarded.
Okay.
The rating power sector, even Gujarat is trying to adopt Manipur model. I don't know Gujarat Gujarat model but Manipur model is being copied.
Okay.
I don't know what you're saying. Dr. Lele, maybe we are having shortage of manpower. Manpower shortage everywhere health care sector city they are tackled, they are implemented in a most judicious manner. The allegation they had against me the high there's no road side I'm sorry there are roads.
Okay. Allegation did not have as a
no doubt.
Okay, Apen
Hana Simam Su I came so lot of having black top. Kaitari no tar Mayam depreciation hariba.
Okay.
That small things it's been made Karihani Yamachobi Shuman Lakta. The government has been continuously doing it.
After 15 years, Ojana Hybrid Mayamsi, truly as a genuine individual citizen of this country, citizen of this state, Lamda Masigi Macha Amoina, Emily Amo and another minister Amo and another, Kamay and Bimasita saying a Pagalelo with Uribu.
Pagalede definitely, yeah.
Okay.
Pagatli, Pagat Hungary, that's a province we have stood by and a quite story. What way back a top government Matama Mayam Paiko, Congress is by Matamia, then in between the other governments who came to power.
Okay.
You see the changes that have taken place in 15 years.
Okay, changes Mayam changes Mayam see.
That is development.
Except whether Torodra have a city Yam Chauba. Question number
you have also mentioned about ising water supply co. Tawal Berries ki Toriba Mayam Tony ising in Fall Yorno these are all planned.
Okay.
It takes time.
Okay, it takes time.
Is the I couldn't have the highway. I also need
time, more time.
It takes time.
Okay,
see, the point is,
if Manipur government says they need more time, question la issue.
No, it's 15 years in just 5 years time you can't.
Okay.
You need planning, you need policy framing, you need planning, implementation. Implementation it will take another some times required.
Okay.
Manipur situation is it because of law and order problem, disturbance. The blockade has been going for period for Karihani. The development board it's an effort. Karihani seriously I try to we purpung
okay, the law and order Susan Takperi economic blockade Susan have Pambira Matang do the Prime Minister Nadum Pondo Pirami, economic blockade Cassidy, Masteramatogi, Michael Haido, Mr. Karigumba BJP na, my Pak Patargadi, Atu heck government heck pipe high economic blockade since the Lotomungami, law and order situation in Matang, so law and order to the state, Kimatani, Stena, Loya Tongami Madu, the Matau Tava Kodema. hojik hauje mak ngasai wangai matam adumakta su prime minister was ready to render the extend this support haibagi wafum bupung to kyoza.
No, let me tell you something. Who is behind this blockade? NSN, I am not through. UNC, who's the UNC, United Council? Kaidamata blockade or no?
Okay.
Okay, government, do you think would have sponsored this in coalition with this organization? More in the basis, you try to read, study what are the basis, the philosophy, why they are doing this. Moi I say this is Sarahilski question that what is the basis? They claim that government, the Manipur government has no authority. UNC way back Manipur government administrative ties break the that land they are saying the blockage to be withdrawn. Ancestral land to which will not at all. Our government will block it. The Congress will block it. Come what may. UNC BJP. They are also working hand in glove with this NSN. Why NSN I am allowed to sing Manipur beyond the boundary of Nagaland? Why they have been allowed to operate in Manipur? This is the handiwork of this BJP government, NDA government at center.
Okay.
No, so that's the point. Sponsored they are working hand in glove with this UNC, the NSNIM.
Adu swai sida samam nom lesing prime minister masamang na su ko UNC ga Manipur government gana sellaga hojik chathari economic blockage se anisina sellaga chathabne habi wafum su charge tarum yuja. Adu Congress no so amuk charge tawre masidi BJP ga NSNIM ga manar ga tawbni hari. Who is right kana na chumgi habi wafum nuja.
See about, let me tell you, quick constitution positions. The law and order say yes, Article 356 Makadadi, states government tongam they have 55 Makadadi, center has. This is the duty of the center to protect under Article 355 of the Constitution of India. This is duty of the center to protect every state against external aggression, internal disturbances, however,
Okay.
without really imposing this thing, PR. So why they are not doing it?
Okay. Oza bim also respond to binwan oza habi.
I've been following this debate for a long time. I'm not a part of political party. Center ni state in the Yaina Basida meet the Uchai guy beating around the bush and the fact is 2001 gi Irang Tolakpatu gi Haura kan the 3 letters word without territorial kanosi limits out na Thado Kraga Harauraga Palong like him said. Fact everybody knows journalist Maruina Hilda Manipur ki state ki authority later. It is a complete vacuum and the sigi say negotiation chaliba group sigi magi tentacles se loy mapam shura chatlabani official heart ki bida kaim tawbangam gi dabani any thika amal over the armed group siga renegotiation tawdraga di thabak tawdrabani doctor am sakraga so in short Manipur state ki authority doesn't almost jeopardize am tawraba situation ever. Sigi ongoing sida lairibni union government su Delhi or Congress party do oigera wibat hazelaini without consulting the state government ko. So we have to see beyond BJP Congress here. There's something about Manipur as a state of the Union of India and the GOI's position. GOI with this negotiation. Sigi dynamics to get tholak pasida. It's a high time that across party line Manipur kari oiri kari oirami kari oheninge habisiki clarity malauraga position launa davida party masen hun base I think in the long run masidi akoi isan isabu minam jabne na lawe ai yoina deko as
Ishan isabu minam jabni adubu kogi government amma lairibani na government se na tawdaba taragadi 15 years sida madu tawba ngamdab taragadi ngaso kogi chimgi area sing da kogi Manipur gi police ki na security ki kemta mathau ngamjati haiba taragadi government state government level kari mathau tarbi habi question duni aduga huji hairiba charge mayam se dasu uja biju kari happening
blockade ki matang si yam kana su haining de ihanam da koi Sri Santana haibi ba sagi hado bada tang ai pakom bije gi akoi gi prime minister gi speech writing lan bra kaino ma yam serantara number 1 akoi gi huji la mi prime minister one of the best orator in the world. He does not need a speech writer. Adaga khoi som dagi feedback ti yam pai pi adaga electricity ki matang si da mana harami se khoi ki electricity condition je yam improve tore karam kanda khoi cooperation am na pai rakanda mana min tore di so horde electric supply wali wati gina te electrification gini akhoi Manipur da village ke lai electrification kam yaure electrification की पैसा थादगी बसिंग दो मदनी माना तो बंगो हरमे अइना थारी मंत्री मैम से भोट ngak तगी नते अखोई सेंटर दगी पी गिबा पैसा की हिसाब किताब मयाम चौकटपने हेना चौकटपगिनी अदुगा एवरी पेनी काउंट होने अकाउंटेबल वहनगनी निसिम हरमे ब्लॉकेट की मतंग दा ai character sida khana re akhoi da hawde na akhoi stand je congress na initiate instigate to bani moina sponsor to bani moina lotion da bani ado akhoi na haibu di phare wet lum de har ga chu ngasi prime minister har mi se akhoi congress government jiga blockade tori kambu ga globe in hand moi paisa yenei bu hai mai do without basis ngang bu de after all intelligence kara information ma lo ai khangi ngak ta ni aduna मागी स्टैंड दो अदुना अखोई गी वने द फाइनल लोरे मदद आइना सिदि दा वाइ खम तंग रबि थोइ दरकार दै तें खले ai si खतंग हाइ जई
matang sis da su prime minister na phongdom mofam the blockade is the living example of the failure of congress government hai da su hai birami oja shanthati kamai hai biringi mofam sida kamai respond to win
के सिदी मणिपुर दी कांग्रेस नो पारो मनु पारो अखोई मणिपुर की मियाम से ग्यान मेन दान से याम नुगाई दी हंदक गाइडोन दु हंग मतम दा मादिसी आइने याई यादी खंग जाई सिने अदुन लोइरे कइनो
okay
सरकार ताइना रो तौरिबो मिसिन दो अदुद लोइरेबा आई तौनी तौरे खंगदना सीएसओ मियाम की लुसिंग बने थोरे अदु तौरे अदु मा खंगदि हाइ अदुनदी अदु सरकार पंगना ताइना याबा मी यम इंडिपेंडेंट समिलाना सही त्रा तो हेलसु गाइडोन खंगदना इंडिपेंडेंट अखोई ब्लॉकेट नुमि चामा कुन कुथाइ तौरसु अमना तो इबो बिद लोइ ताइना दि इबो बि सको पिन नते कोइ हाइसे अदुर बोइदि लेबासी अदुन अखोइगी सीएसओ म्याम से मोइ एजुकेट तो बदर का लेबा अखोइ अपडेट तो बदर का लेबा मोइ केगो म्याम से अदु गाइडोन तो इदु माना सुम तौर तौर मा इबो बिनिसन बदि हाइदियाबा अखोइनि येंगि स्पेकुलेशन से अखोइ वजा बिजोइ नो भारसु अनन स्पेकुलेशन हम तो सुमाइना बनेबा अखोइगी बिमोन हाइगिबदो सीना सुम पॉलिटिकल सुमाइना असेंग बदि तौरिबा मूवमेंट तौरिबा कांगुदो मोइ खंगदबदुनेबा अदुना लोइरे मा कोर्ट पीरिबनि माइदो नत्रा अदुनदि क्याम
adubu prime minister masamang na haram basi sondana tampakta na miyam je congress government na instigate tore mayam se sawhalle aduga sondana mo koi economic blockade tor kangu se CLP re phawgi wakum bokong don
अदुना नुवाइतिदि अदुना नुवाइतिदि
येले
नते इबो बि
येले हाइबा
अखोइगी कैनोना हाइदिबा राजनाना लागा हाइदिबा मा सुमाइ तौर अमा मतौरदि मोइ याम तुलोइसन बि सि तौरदि अदगी किरेन जिजिलुन हाइबा मा हाइबा मखोइ यावबो मालेबा मखोइगा मत अखोइ स्पेकुलेशन लानबा याइको याव माले तो नरेंद्र मोदी हाइरसु बोरसि अदु माइने त हाइबि यादे अदु मा हुजि कैनोमा फाइल तौरदी मा जुइते कोर्ट काबा याबे प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने पंगांग गांबा याबे जानते माना तसि इबो बिना हाइरोनेको अदुगी खुदम चांगदम दु पिरो हाइरोनेको मा काबा तामने कोर्ट नत्र डिफेमेशन तौबगी डिफेमेटरी बे स्पेशल इवन प्राइम मिनिस्टर न पीबे यादिए मा he must understand that also
adu dekho election handa ki election campaign se ta khoi manipur government su maru ina chief minister su yam people yadum bagidi oja bimongsa de respond to mal
e government ta tainaroi haibana aina haibadi party gi langnari bisa ingi di amna superficial oi bako mi na wari bana traga real challenge ma manipur na thengnari be se munna masak substantive level da khangan da bi uhan da bi na thaira ga chalan bagi monga maleba the fact is all government koi ge 3 consecutive le hiwa government of manipur da su maugi MLA minister oirame bani na tra chingdai ka ba so I think party line ataba there is government of manipur gi su tawbang amdribagi marum karino haibesa miyam pomna hangbam di thoeba ko I am not saying the government is not to be blamed similarly GOI su moi makhut pulla brava because everybody knows moi su haibam thokpa moina haibang am da khoi masi ai nam kan taksil orga ai gi interest holakani haina amasu lei right the government of India has a stake in the entire process blockade is not simply about blockade it is part of a larger political issues adugi politics to manipur bu confront tawriba politics amagi saruk amaneba see this is not the first time we know how it happens koi last 15 years the blockade tholei sa it's one of the manifestations of a particular political challenge haidi manipur na thengnariba challenge achau ama ngasigi machet taba yabagi challenge ama thengnariba mayoknariba hiram siga mari lainaba adugi maru lainaba saruk amaneba ko masi saruk sida government of manipur na magi MLA chingdagi su yaw na tawdiba ngaram karigino GUI na su magi interest hola ka da haidi will it lead to something like breakdown tor ka to river negotiation gin high bin ching bana traga whatever politics government ani mangna to bungam ri se kari no ai se confront to bom chang it's not about Congress and BJP, it's about government of India, government of Manipur, whichever party which hold the office vis-a-vis with a particular political issue called Naga issue aduga ai khoi da thengnari ba Manipur suyaw yaw da bida aigi yum suyaw yaw da bida na khoi ani na negotiate taw lei be maram kari no kai si hangbam thokpo hang da bagi porama adu hangan da bida swai da vote maya naksala kunu bu henjale ko BJP na ni central ne taw lei bisi masi aina haijabadi mit to uchai baga manabo wani substance gi na thu og na thaira thambai ki phibom mamni tawna da bana phai haijabagi wani ai
okay adobo government leiribani na maru ina khogi state government leiribani hojik laiba mikhal sisu state government ama create tawno gi tamta miyam na thajaba ama thamaga khoi music je thagat ka doribni adobo thagalaba music asina hairiba failure see for the last so many years khogi tarama thorok sure handaki mikhal sina sibokta masi khara da warbasu improve tawbana tak rectify tawbang amdragadi handaki tarama thu siba mikhal si kari kana ga dono haibagi wahang su adumak laktam nate madun or ma probably youth sing da aduga khogi electors sing da voters sing da khogi electoral gi participation gi sang yam handarakpa interest yaroktaba aduga ultimately makoibu interest se na taga motivation se pinu gedmakta khogi sel pibagi wafam habu yauna rebise on the no brem taloje break ki matungda khogi prime minister gi speech ki makhata ba khogi discussion tawje ki break yam thonjar ke impact news pu mek ta no Welcome back. Aduring very basi manu hunani a 360-degree analysis of news events with me Rajrang Thongmam. Manu hunta ngasi khanajer be basi Prime Minister Narendra Modi ki election ki speech hai batare ngasi koi Imphal da maru ina lagjeng asobada laga BJP ki vote ki koi campaign natraga rally da phongdo ma wafam sing dugi makha chatharak pada koi territorial integrity hai batare Manipur ngam khai si kai ga da wafam amata koi framework agreement na haina ba framework agreement asi da yaudi habagi wafam phongdo be Prime Minister ki speech ta framework agreement haiba wahaisi madisi na khete technically naga singi koi accord haiba wafam sin rami mam dona accord sida manipur gi territory kai ga wafam yaude haiba khadana tana hindi gi yam phajo wahaida disip to gada ba haidi koi manipur gi miyam bo disip to wafam amta yaudi haiba gi wafam hobo pangdoro me at the same time chahi ama makhai se manipur gi congress ga mena kari toroga lagi bage sign tawna khra matungda ngasi phawbada PMO da haigadra prime minister chithi ama phawbi rakhibla ite at the same time Modi masamang na Congress ki minister mayam sida accord ki matang da loina mak explain taw khibla lerbani adubu election maya naksal pasida electoral ki tool amo ina miyam bu thwainu ge damakta aduga masida koi election ki politics taw leri habagi wapam phungdo mi masigi pakum ozai RK Nandalak chiga
Do you really trust this NDA government? When BJP came to power as NDA way back in 2000, the respected former Prime Minister Bajpayee, you know what assurance he gave to the people of Manipur? Repeatedly he gave us that the territorial integrity or whatever it is, anything to do with affecting the legitimacy of this territorial integrity will be touched, will not be touched. Then we constantly way back in 1997 we rally chakre, Mahmud rally, historic in Southeast Asia, one of the biggest vis-a-vis the population. Ceasefire Manipur, I say, we raised the slogan, everyone in unison. House the repeatedly resolutions slow Rabani. And I personally made that in the this thing, convener, George Fernandez, when he visited Imphal, that the ceasefire should not be extended to the state of Manipur. He promised us, he assured us. On the way back to Delhi, it was announced the Bangkok Declaration without territorial limits. This government had deceived, us, the Manipuris, and that was the reason why. That was the reason why the June 18 happened. That was the reason why the people of Manipur still doubt the sincerity of this government. The why they have signed again framework agreements. If they say they claim, the Prime Minister has claimed there's nothing in it. The Home Minister has said there's nothing in it. Everyone has said RN Ravi is a bit elusive. Is playing with words. But if there is nothing in it, bring out the contents.
Okay, content pongdo piro habne adubu Prime Minister Modi gi wafam sida statement sida yaurisi akogi Congress ki minister mayam sida loina ma hai khibal ere.
No, nothing doing that. There was nothing like that.
And for
it was not
1.5
consulted.
years,
See, our government has been demanding it. No. He's bluffing it. That's the reason why Prime Minister is sincere. He should be very, very honest about what he is going to say.
Okay.
What is going to spell out. Prime Minister was we must take it very but ngaki half-hearted ad hoc policy but this gives us doubting his integrity.
Okay.
Ado aikoi haiba akoi government da hai giba leite akoi cc tawdore hangaga si tawdore ni hai gibs leite adagi akoi gi aina tazab hai tare akoi gi sigumam tawdore na Madam Sonia Gandhi da honorable president of the party Indian National Congress decision amna lowri hai da without showing the contents no I can't say yes na hai giba lein tai and after that ma kana su consult tawde they did it on their own.
Okay.
Then they kept the content of that whatever agreement, ultimate framework agreements or whatever agreement signed between government of GOI and the SNSNIM. A secret
Manipur
document.
government the su hairiba apprehension se leiba targadi
We have been raising this. If you remember, we have raised this issue.
Adu was election ki matam se election handaki electoral issue si
No, we have been saying it. No, we have
even
been-
koi
we-
Congress ki every political
I don't know why you
conference
jump into
framework
conclusion.
agreement da loina ma koi vote khombai taro.
No, we are not doing it. This hasn't brought out as an issue. The MCS brought it out. So many other organizations brought it out. So we have to mention it. We have played our part. Our honorable chief minister has approached our home minister, everyone regarding this. They have not given us any satisfactory answer till date. And we have continuously worked on it. So don't say it. Saying it by Tamil Nadu, I have been raising it. We have been raising it. The people of Manipur have been raising it. See, no, we have demanded the contents, don't hide it.
Okay.
Government of India, Republic, the democratically elected Republic, Government Amaga, any political entity have the agreement of say when we are involved with stakeholders, you can't hide it.
Okay.
This is not done. In any civilized country,
Okay.
in a civilized
Okay, Manipur government ki site
you can't hide it. You can't hide it. Why they are hiding it?
Site ki phongdok to bang atini habi ofum lai.
No, you can't hide it. Whatever it is,
BJP
you
ki
can't hide
national
it.
president na sohlo hera me Home Minister Rajnath Singh na su sohlo hera me Prime Minister Masang su hera me Aryan Ram na su hanjan san haire adu Aryan Rabi ki ofum da sohlo di hera ga sokte di hera ga Manipur ki wahi phabu yaugde hera ga su yaugde heba targadi koi Manipur da ki stakeholder sing si amna maru oi haire bana kari gino adu ka stakeholder sing si ga amuk phamina ba hanu su am phamina khre makhoi ki opinion lo mathok ta haire sina kari gino if Manipur is not included at all then why stakeholders from Manipur are included every time
the speech mana hojiki framework agreement batang comment tawro batang mana haram si honesty gi damakta maming lejaraba ai bu thajagera adaga machin thibagi haleng balitraba state congress government bu thajagedra adudi prajana khanbiro sima haramiko next hojik akoi honorable MLA RK Anand haibi gi bidai kinta haijage stakeholder haibase akoi gi negotiation tawu matamda kanagumba third party amagi interest sokadi ma stakeholder singi aduga soktargadi ma stakeholder kaudeba
okay
aduna Nagaland government Manipur karega asam ta yaudri se kari framework agreements from the beginning haribar kana sing station jamta effect with that is why they are not stakeholder next akoi kari ba yaruma framework agreements da akoi discuss ta kadra legally null and void way mathang da in hygienic is a framework agreement ultimately cabinet meeting the puthoga parliament the puthogadani discuss the godani passed over the 2/3 majority sangi which includes the consent of the Congress MPs too aduna hojik process chathari framework hojik karino ani khaktani number 1 constitution honored tarone habanga territorial integrity and the kai we are greater Nagaland drop tarashi khatan
okay
adi makhada maya mogi kari kamai tona honorable settlement and pig the have the process cut never. I don't nagagi sangstans in the NSNIM Karikana short rattling taroga, Panganga, Kosha, mighty in Pangsong song. I got the tabigo. I don't think I might get a pare issue, kind of sagre election as the Congress party now. Other than CSO, my Anna Karina Harris, Yaw Dragadi Soto, we have says like Timran Loitri. Parliament the put up the public oiderum. Ada kan lord kasi apote Congress any party loi udrong akte no mo pass ta udrong di chadam sungu yaro dinebo chiri simple majority ya ne masim de koi honorable MLA so khangjan biyo na ai haijaningi aduga Hojiki Manipur da sigi matang da chingna basi kan na ta hu sai dong charak patagi center na sengdok piu hada home minister masam lak na sengdok me adi matang da
ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ stakeholder ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯈꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ
Nati stakeholder oide ba koisi
stakeholder ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ stakeholder ꯁꯦ round ꯑꯅꯤꯔꯛ ꯎꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯒꯤ ANI ꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ news interviewꯗꯁꯨ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ
Mana stakeholder RN Ravi gine okay I want mage RN Ravi gine hoji magi mission se karimta na te ma je bureaucratic officer mane adaga hoji che demand tano kanda magi mathau ji karino NSNI na kari hari Manipur Praja na kari hari sonu kari hari sun si thi bi mathau ne ba
Okay.
adaga sida mogi lieutenant general VS atem adu haire adan haire akon sida pangpa pi ga ba home minister prime minister na khoi greater Nagaland question chung pi piro haire I think that is final
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯏꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ BJPꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯁꯨ ꯀꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯁꯨ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯣꯔ ꯂꯦꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯌꯣꯟ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯟꯁꯤꯗ information is saturated at this point ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ beyond this ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯕꯤꯃꯣꯜ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯗ ꯆꯥꯟꯁ ꯐꯪꯉꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯒꯦ
Framework agreements, it's something like preamble to the constitution.
Okay.
Right? It's open to interpretation. Magi principal ground ama haipe yanara kanda detail me am the work out kon tawdu ne bako. Akoina luri bedi magi madu sign tawki bagi Isaac Su laitri my film solakri ngai sita tahoksi haina emotional karikara yawi khudak ta thuna tawki bagi pot amasu yawi ko. Aduna ni concrete point by point agreement detail me am yaw the general principal ground tungda sign tor ko the details in ki guideline amo oina na ba preamble gumba ne Indian constitution ki ko article me am yaw tring ida luri badi aina koina signering ade ai ko ngasai BJP gi anamna so hai bi gi sai gi mot di stakeholder di yawring ni ko aduna ne I think you asked the right question ke do we no RN Ravi na ko idam wari sano to isa ko implicate taw the wam na ingon wari sadu ke no ba adugi maduda da natana Naga nationalist movement gi luching ba si akoi gi mi Manipur da gi yawri ni aduna we han stake kanjal im ne ba pose ko so in that sense stakeholder akoi we they have this why are ko ai nga sai haijagi bu ai gi yum ji thugai ga da thugai re sa ai sung yaw da mi nin ta usri it's almost like France and England colonial time the India has a combined to the again ko as if Manipur is like a fish on a fishmonger slab ngayum bagi magi kak na na thamanga ma gi type to ngangar ga sungai hairak ta simadi masidi ekoi sawum to handa su hai ko aina haije ki taw the principal agreement ni detail do work out to the higher about the disclose to wongam ji sikari you know I simadi I am not a part of political party but as a concerned citizen of this state ko ai di hangane ba detail ju yaw ba principal do khata oiraga di kari kai ge share to bada 2.9 haije si ko Manipur stakeholder ni adu di government of Manipur as a representative involved to gera ama yawham to but this is like a colonial ki hangover ki ai sunga me am decide to na have film sum to 15 years 20 years ago this is one point second if it is on principle when agree to over ga what's wrong in sharing with the open public
okay miyam da khangal bada kari kai ge habne du koi Manipur da yamna koi apprehension leitar ga so ki like so koi Manipur so khadra haidana koi government media na pothok to gi atop reason si framework agreement si uthok pa tar ga su masrei da Naga gi interest amta yorum da basu eramba yai madu utho ragadi Naga ga sign down abni mogi interest yaw da badugi phondok ta bor basu adon da yeng basu ai ta oza santa jong lakchi oza handa ki framework agreement matang da prime minister na phondok mo wafum se kari abni
sigi matang da di akoi prime minister se mohong diam sadi
okay
ani mana adu to dai da ma sitaram ni sui da telephone to re sitaram na haibani akoi khangde tawraga sima tawna again detail jo kaim thai da ba tawna ge ta ha ba ma khalina hairam me do Sonia Gandhi de tawra me hairam me do aduga akoi bimolai ram su me ba akasu aran rai de phongdo na pheng wai du di preamble gu mane su hairi preamble le ji kasu kai dia ba akoi loina khang ba yai ba detail du work out to matam da stakeholder mayam su natraga akoi expert mayam ate di madu wang yaw ka dori ne ba luri di makoi manung da kari sanai noi do an ai di ngasai Modi gi kaino di yamna pukning da mathamoi da sana ba practical loi da thaba ngakta maduna sin aduga masi gi mata ri kan dai jege bharat ta leiba political party myam simu da state ama fiction ba chauthok pa yada ba se communist party of India marxist khakta da adugi matang da BJP su akoi gi Andhra Pradesh थुगाइबद मोय याखी कांग्रेसु आंध्र प्रदेश थुगाइबद याखी अनिमक से आइदी याखी ने खले करिगुम प्रोवाइडेड नगागा कैनो तो आइना खनबनी को मरम दि अखोय नि याम कन लेपसे आंध्र नत्र बिमो अखोय पार्टी खत सीपीएम खत ने कांग्रेसु याखी बीजेपी सु याखी
ओके ओके ओजा बिजो ओजा रा चांस पी रेन हाइबी रे अमु बीजेपी दा चांस पी दा ना वारो बिगिने अरोय बना सिगी मतंग से अरोय बाव ना ओजा ना
अरोय बना ती
अरोय भाई सिगी
आई मिनिमम इक्वल टाइम लगनी नो सो सांगी सांगदो को
ओजा रा चांस पी जरी ओजा अदुम बकेम ले जते ओजा ना खबिरी
नंबर 1 अखोई ऑनरेबल एमएलए आरके आनंद डिफेमेटरी वे दो आई ना हाइजरी दी डिफेमेटरी वे खलगा दी फाइल तो वी केस लेट अस सी व्हाट हैपेंस नो प्लीज इंटरप्ट तो
unless you have I belong to
Say, I
legal
think
background. Legal background of that, unless you have charged it.
Okay.
Natra.
Okay.
I mean,
somebody
starts it. No, please.
No.
I'm.
This is my time, Anand. This is my time.
No,
You have spoken enough.
No.
Don't try to interrupt.
I'll keep on speaking. Framework in the table. What I'm saying is, Sagi Amadunida.
Defamatory way.
Okay,
No. Number one.
Okay, I have given
if necessary, we'll try to work. If necessary, we'll pull the honorable Prime Minister of India to the court of law. If necessary, we'll do it. What's your problem?
If necessary, Congress will file a suit. Till then, Oza Bijogi, Pongtoning Wafu Hanam Tatabu.
Oza can
I'm going to give context, not framework.
Point of the hijau.
Allegation will go.
Respectable government ama center da any party license ko. Akogi kulai bai ba negotiation group mo negotiate tor ko da kedong da magi ken da side da minimize tor ko da ni si hongda there's a strict protocol. Adagi matang da kulai bai ba kangbu ga peace talk to siam lu lei ba. Kari da 1975 ki Shillong Accord sign tor kan da manungi agreement loi haidu ure ba. Adagi 1980 da another round of insurgency lucky kare hai lucky ke da organizations de lari ba top leaders in the sign tawre akhoi gi fijo yogde mai manon pa kvl le tawre aduga muiba ko jin matam de second reading leader wori ne ba moina ngasa gi akhoi di naga gi independence kini akhoi greater nagaland gi aduna Shillong Accords da akhoi gi ko sell out tawre na Shillong Accord sign taw mi sinji panam hat ki moina aduga 1980 da NSN jiling khalaga mulan horke ba NSN did low grade but Nagagi insurgency lo hugdeba. So my tawda na khoi Tamil gi case da su khoi LTT na mayam hat kre. Framework agreement da disclosed over the ya devante number 1 loidri parliament puthro kini sin tongan mo point da lejag re ko. Aduga peace process se masi khoi hinganda ya de ultimately they have accepted the constitution of India. They also have accepted not to demand akhoi kena si greater nagaland si yaring ai da akhoi ma si kahining dev go ada ai ta please matam kiting pibio ngada ko matam khari mong de hona akhoi satri sangstan Congress party ada ni amna framework agreement ji handa ki prime minister ki visit da ma spell out to holu yam kan hai gi ba yam hai re home minister to log de hai de ma sign to yog de ma khangog de hai gi ka ma yam putai loina mutal de prime minister came today and he had spell out si makha kari discussion lairige sinida adada akhoi maite yangda bi adu oirasu haiba si lairaga diko loiba khamba na roi si mutung de akhoi karim tu pai
adu still
adada aina haijaning diko framework agreement khangde adaga congress su ai kemta haijage UNC outlaw toroni na isu pukhalame ba aduga public domain da moina kari hai the home minister da chiti thagre hai akhoi na check taru kan the home minister sungta tharam de
okay
prime minister do thale me seranga public consumption gi vote me
adu to thagi bi copy ani press to loi thoki home minister su prime minister su thabne ja yes ani no thabne
ingo ai kan
home minister da yong da war ko mispress
no paulo bonati akhoi
adu ki copy to ai mon da le
nati de ai wa me sige please to tabigo copy lai bagi nati copy de akhoi su loi yorum da bagi nati on that very day next day ko madam da khoi hojik sida minister khara khoi vote ki lai bi ko moina samai tawna outlaw tawgi cc thare kamai tawgen hangkan the home minister su phangri prime minister su phangri hareba adi what congress na pili se ISTV gum basi gum hana pilar me but then what is the game they are playing
okay press na hana pile re have ni yo hom thong hom dri yo
yo dri ni bu yo de ba adu makha da khoi hangdre ba si thok nen khala da nai ba
Okay, okay. Aroi ba point se amaru ba point ha tare hojigi framework agreement se soita sum losin jarge keno ta sigi makha ta bion kem leitre aduga ngasai phongdok tobi maram se khogi naga insurgency gi thabak se na ta peace process ki thabak se losin marak ta tak chitra haibagi apprehension leibadagi masigi framework agreement gi manung da detail kari yaugi se phongdok tebni habni mama so phongdok ubadagi shelong accord se phongdok ubadagi koi insurgency problem losin bungam kide probably ngasai hajik gi badune ngasai hajik
I don't accept that.
Okay, okay. Aduga soida soida thamjaraga makha tar ko yam maru iba charge ha ta prime minister gi speech ta yaur mesi koi corruption gi haitare corruption gi koi manipur government na tauriba corruption mayam si 15 years ki corruption si masi lem na tharoi loina mak thigat kani habi wapum phongdo me aduga ko gi manipur gi miyam na haigadra ko gi loina mak na natra ka su 20 haina ba 10% phauba prime minister na phongdo me ai de kai no khangu de 10% ai inga ngau re adubo 10% gi government ne habase chief minister ne habase mayam khangbira habra mayam na su hoi hoi na dikhumaki mayam loi khangamina 10% के गवर्नमेंट से ना चाही तरा मंगा नोई पाल ले से कमाय पाल ले नो हाइब की क्वेश्चन भाबो हंगमी सोय मतंग से दी ngасai अखोई मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट बु अखोई कांग्रेस बु यादव ता सो मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट बु हजु फाबु की ओइन दी अखोई काउंटर तो बिद्री बा ओजा शांत त लाग सके सोय से ओजा शांत से याबिरम तो माले तेरे है नहीं
करप्शन की मतंग दे
ओजा शांत त हाना ओके
करप्शन की मतंग दे अखोई दी पैसा सी अखोई कांगबु दे की हम पिजब लेतिरी
Okay.
आगी सी नाउ दे हम
बट कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट द चार्ज
अदुबु
10% ana
mayamna hainayaba adun haiba midusu maju legally maju punishable oidro
okay
maju pirambadi akoi di pidram ni khangdriyaba if
Okay.
akong mo chauna pirambadi maju punishable oidaiba
Okay.
lawiba miju apiba miju neba nan
okay lauri misu piri misu ani mag equally aran bang atne habne
adu
mana na tori ba
corruption
corruption
laga maju tawradi akoi nuaine na te
masi thidongna ba legal system hai batare akoi gi anti corruption ombudsman natrako authority ama oiriba akoi gi lokayukt hariba body se akoi manipur gi oina leitri masi 2014 gi august di gazette notification thoga manipur ga mena manipur da lokayuk leirani haibi wapum leira to ngasi bawda opposition gi leader leiti haidona opposition 10% yog di haidona lokayuk se sem leiri bani na any government gi official amana minister amana mla amana koi masi tawba targa su masi thigat pina balai tabni na public su upai lete aduka public na paisa pina batar su paisa mokhoi na su openly thopang amjadi haiba tare kari haiba ni
Okay. It's a prime minister. I am a neutral. 10%. Okay. That's where, if necessary, we'll pull him up.
Okay.
Honorable prime minister to the court of law. Then Hajar say he needs to prove.
okay
And it's purely personal attack. Which government, BJP government or Congress government is more? I mean, which is corrupt? I don't think, but the BJP ki Maui candidate si Rupa Kurama is going to be charged.
sting
with
operation
fire.
like to ha
Over Jorama in a call. One program to sting them to India today. This has come to light.
okay
Some action will be initiated. He happens to belong to BJP party as BJP MLA. Yeah, I mean the candidate. And again, way back in 1974, which was BJP leader in Lariba, one of them. Strongest contender, he was. I'm told that he was put behind bars. I don't know. See allegations to like Hajabani. I wouldn't mention it. And again, vote for money. I have a parliament. Confidence vote. I am specialist chapi. I am to give parliament. There were so many. There was a hue and cry in the parliament. See, ma'am, since you party, matam we talk about ma'am never. And of course, the 10% high target is purely personal. They have to. This has to be well founded. Criminal case, I'm not charge the say.
okay
This has to be proved beyond doubt.
okay proof like that
Unless you have material, don't do it. It is suicidal. For
Probably
that person.
Prime Minister
It's
has got the
suicidal for a
evidences.
Prime Minister. Suicidal for any person to allege.
probably
See,
prime minister
tawri
the evidence
tawba
leramba
tawba
yare
oy.
maramaduna ni yamna confidently even public ta mari mangara
He is
seri
not
ni
a-
pala hangaga
he is not a-
10%
he
have
is
a
not a- he is not a-
khambra yam fazana
he is
hanki
not a court of
he
law,
was
no?
so confident probably he has some
He is only
proof.
executive head. He is not a court of law.
Adubo sir ozada laksani si ozana ai gi sigi question se lakmu tam prime minister gi question se lakmu tam da corruption ni matang da oza ar kiana na matam se reject oza bijur se quick lak sake akoi congress se defend to biraga akoi bjp gi asobi mayam do oina pinpoint to birapa matang se da yamna simple da yam asam question mo oina akoi manipur government se akoi free ka hetare corrupt free government am oira bra have cd oza gi personal opinion kari have ni oza
Government से free करी है बा.
corrupt free government am oira bra
See, there is no corruption at all. There's no corruption at all.
Exactly. Aduni madu proof tonu kita makta lokayu ama sembiu hai badani. Madu laiba taragadi.
Let the procedure my lakshani,
Okay.
I probably will enact it. If
2014,
we come to power,
2014.
I'll initiate and will enact that law.
Manipur government Congress government di initiate tawkhre to 2014 da masi lauthogi tar dunga si phawda lokayu like probably koi opposition bench da masing sudabna mar moidana hoji phawgi oidabani habi wafum lere hanakti sudam male hanakti soina lokayu like do male matang sida oza bijo da content nyam lere khangjare please respond
kenone Sri RKR and Congress government corruption leite hana habirobni na masigi di yengbiri sing judge to biro ai makha kasi allegation to jaroi
Okay.
adu Congress ki manifesto da corruption ki against wa da ngang dis kari no Congress ki against wa mata pandri se corruption ki against lokthon wa mata pandri se kari no moi manifesto da next thabak tawning da any party or government makoi matters yam luhun gane ba corrupt tau kambuna akoi honorable CM amadi 15 years thabak si aru ba ti hai ba Prime Minister Modi power ji kai no he simplified things yam line cha tau gi ne ba madu gi line sa long tau ba samna da ko black money lok thok ba si pun paksi akoi gi Modi magic de so hai nai please ai tu logi
oza santha
Ai
ko
tu logi
matam siju le oza bijo
matam ji le terminai ba adagi next husi corruption phab di bijino pai da hore na husi income tax na taro phar ji crore ga si trai pang sure loin bote yenam ne khonam ne harani si il tax due course corruption le tra di crore trai pang ji kai di phari no na hana trai di phare ngasi hum phare nga ri ngarang na kano income tax se husi ying bio things will come out
Okay.
aduna Sri Anana corruption laitre chunai leite hai base masi dei react to zero
Okay, proof later bani proof PV na bami so tholo tab ne habitare proof later bani na technically legally corruption laiti sine hairi se ha
Sandi leiti hai bidi adi sang du wa ne.
okay for the first time
Anan ju noi sine sang du wa ne ba.
responded against Congress government okay oza bi molwa che oza matam din loira bu mani
From your legal view.
okay legal
sang du wa ni
okay technically hai tare technically corrupted oidi hai bani adu morally yamutar gadi oza Manipur miyam na dum decide to zero oza bi molda final comment on corruption on PM Modi's
the
response
court of law is no absolute truth is an evidence based truth high court but akoi gi myoi ba man hinging ai the evidence not about question of morality and question of sentiments question of what I know hai bum suleko corruption hai bisi sarkar gi miyam go bolosang amsung lanbu maranai ki nalnai season of the official definition the ladies ko corruption is nothing but the abuse of public authority for private gain hai bani definition ko thika to buda season aduk sa season masai option gi ko I think it's a common knowledge yamung na budi leite hai I think he is compelled to say that but I think we know what is the situation luri bi adu na teba corruption is institutional mechanism amna ngasai pangeba lok ayuk ombudsman gi kari gi ma thammam ama thokpani thamribisu politics amni ko thamgada bani ani subudna miyam subuna khanwam leba tilho mamal haigalakpada delhi da vote ki destiny lepanga meba ngasi leipak sida GSC na wai chairaba leipak ki hiram kaya da nai dana otna irang da tawdan leiraba sina luriba question di la liba mekhan sida miyam singina democracy chai manga da mung thadab na thawoina khanda bum tawri ba ko vote ai sa even within the system ji ga son weakness lai jara ga su bon ji poram dai na ga draw chatra ga di le hawdo bo matang am chang da penalty ma phang ma bum ba moment in the lowi ga dam ne ba you have a right to reject
Okay.
nota da or su thadar ga nota na yamaga or na ka gi ba email or tholak pung am ba gi miyam ma thon ma ma thau tai madu tholak ri ngai di mantri da khudom mi thil chai na haron da mu chai maira pai bi dum chai oza da mu chai taw ngai da khudom yom jina isa isa da sum tin ba
okay
so election is a time where you can reject yaning da phong do na ne pulap thoga nota na ta thadok sin ngam yam na
okay
hidra kana
election is the right time to reject to happening pakhum phajana pi happening adu pakhum piram dai sit amu pakhum pi bangam dana bagi technique makhan haunar bani adu masi proof play tabani na hai bi yaro hedna musu harak pu yai election commission of India na pukchel seng na phondok chari ba pressman amada nang proof right lege putho hai bi wapum oina ngon ta thangalak pasu yai koi mayam se moi them to na ba ta them na ba koi voter sing bu leibe yon bhaiba tare madu gi thabok se yamna hugely tawnarabani masu gi proof leijate manab dana isia na ibu phabanatna upai leite haiba tare adubu this is the right time akoina aphaba mire thagalaga aphaba government am sem targadi hojik leiba ke lerbi issue me am se loina di loibanga moi khutak to su loibanga tamna loijarkani habni aduga phalam daba MLA mayam su phalam daba minister mayam su public su tan loi pharkani habni adubu khana ningba pondani wapu mayam de leber maya adubu ngasi gonti matam sil loi khabni sai loi senjari habtare aru ngasi ke thamsida oja bimol oja RKNN oja bijoy amadi oja shantan leber da thamsu thawa api kibam di mapung phan bi ke oja humbu oja maribu amukan thajo pondok chari appreciate your journey masih ngasi ke manu honagi tharong ngasi ke edition sekam to bibi ko dekhan ber pya gane koi mail id impactvnews@gmail.com natraga koi Facebook page www.facebook.com/impactvmanipur da join to biraga comment amadi feedback ta birak pya gane. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us from the other side of the screen. Until next time, this is Raj Rongtum signing off. Kurumjari.